Today we will start chapter 4. The title of chapter 4, nitrogen and sulfur assimilation and metabolism. Nitrogen assimilation and metabolism and sulfur assimilation and metabolism. In this chapter, first, assimilation. Assimilation, another term, bioassimilation or biological assimilation. Biological assimilation is the combination of two processes to supply cells with nutrients. The first is the process of absorption and second of this process is metabolism. This process is generally called assimilation. Assimilation, another terms, synthesis or accumulation of two processes. This types of reaction is called assimilation or bioassimilation or biological assimilation. Example of some bioassimilation reaction, first, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, we know, a process whereby carbon dioxide and water are transformed into a number of organic molecules in the plants, in which carbon dioxide and water undergoes to form a organic molecule such as carbohydrates, esters, and another form is oxygen. In the photosynthesis reaction, plants use carbon dioxide and releases oxygen in the environment to balance the environmental balance, oxygen and carbon dioxide balance. Second, nitrogen fixation. From the soil, it organic molecules by symbiotic bacteria which live in the roots of certain plants such as leguminaceae. In leguminaceae plant, we know leguminaceae plants such as pulse plant, pulse plant, sola, motor, khesari, and others. This type of plants generally synthesis nitrogen by the use of some microorganisms such as Azotobacter, Rhizobium, Cyanobacteria, and others. In this case, this type of bacteria first collect nitrogen from environment, and therefore nitrogen is bind with oxygen and form nitrous oxide, then nitrogen dioxide, then nitrogen trioxide, therefore last form nitrate, and it is fixed in the nodule of leguminaceae plant. In leguminaceae plant, we found some round shape, marble shape cell in the roots of this type of plants is called root nodule. Inside the root nodule, this type of microorganism collect nitrogen and finally form nitrate. Then the plants use the nitrogen source from this nodule. In this plant, no need to use excess nitrogen type of fertilizer such as urea for their growth and development. Next, magnesium supplements, orotate, oxide, sulfate, citrate, and glycerate are the structurally similar. However, oxide and sulfate are not water soluble and do not enter the fluid stream, which orotate and citrate have normal exiguous liver conversion. Chlorophyll sources and magnesium citrate are highly bioassimilate. Last, absorption of nutrients, and finally assimilation is occurring in every cell of the body system to help develop new cell. Those are the examples of biological assimilation process in living system. Next, metabolism. Metabolism is the set of life-sustaining chemical transformations with the cells of organisms. The three main purposes of metabolism are conversion of food and fuel to energy to transcellular processes. Just first convert energy or fuel, then it is converted to energy, and therefore it is finally converted to the installment and running of the cellular processes. Metabolism generally occur by two ways: catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism, the breaking down of organic matters. For example, the breaking down of glucose to pyruvate by cellular respiration, it is catabolic reaction. In this reaction, some energy releases from the reaction, anabolic, and this type of reaction is called breakdown process, catabolic reaction and catabolism. Anabolism, also called synthesis reaction, synthetic reaction, the binding of components of cells such as proteins and nucleic acids, usually breaking down release energy and binding are consuming energy. In catabolic reaction, releases some energy, and anabolic reaction consume energy to complete the chemical reaction. Next, photosynthesis. We already talked with photosynthesis, and in the term of photosynthesis, we read chapter 2 for details. Photosynthesis is a process used by plants and other organisms to convert light energy into chemical energy and can later be released to fuel of the organism's activities. This chemical energy is stored in carbohydrate molecules such as sugars, which are synthesized from carbon dioxide and water. First, carbon dioxide and water undergoes with the use of chlorophyll and produced a chemical compound, organic compound, basically carbohydrate, esters, and also produce oxygen. Factors of photosynthesis. Some factors directly involved in the photosynthetic reaction: light, irradiance, and wavelength, carbon dioxide concentration, temperature. Some other factors, amount of leaf area, size of leaf, life intensity, availability of water, ability of suitable temperature, etc. Those are the major factors affecting in the photosynthetic reaction. Biological nitrogen fixation. Biological nitrogen fixation is a process by which nitrogen in the Earth atmosphere is converted into ammonia or other molecules available to living organism. This process is called nitrogen fixation or biological nitrogen fixation. All biological nitrogen fixation is done by way of metalloenzyme called nitrogenase. So we know nitrogenase enzyme is generally act on biological nitrogen fixation. The enzymes contain iron, often with a second metal, usually molybdenum, but sometimes vanadium. Nitrogen fixation generally occur by some steps. In nitrogen fixation, see the figure, plants nitrogen assimilation. Plants nitrogen assimilation first goes to organic nitrogen. Organic nitrogen, then ammonification. Then ammonification, it converted to ammonia, ammonium ion. Ammonium ion, one side it is goes to plant nitrogen assimilation, and another transferred to nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide also transferred by nitrification and then produce nitrogen trioxide. Nitrogen trioxide, then after denitrification, it produces nitrogen. Nitrogen, another nitrogen to nitrogen, and then nitrogen fixation. In the both process, some steps occur. First, atmospheric nitrogen is reduced by the addition of hydrogen atom. Second point, as a result, the three bonds between the nitrogen to nitrogen atom, nitrogen to nitrogen triple bond, are broken down, resulting in the formation of ammonia. Point 3, nitrogen fixation thus requires the following three components: a strong reducing agent, ATP to transfer hydrogen atom to dinitrogen, ATP. ATP breakdown by phosphorylation process, then produce ATP, adenosine diphosphate to adenosine triphosphate, adenosine triphosphate to adenosine diphosphate, and on phosphate is released in this process. Point 3, enzyme system. Nitrogenase enzyme is generally used in this system. Ammonia thus form a result of nitrogen fixation, is used for the synthesis of amino acids. Amino acids are building block of the synthesis of protein. See the reaction: nitrogen plus 8 hydrogen atom plus 10 electron produce to ammonia plus 2 hydrogen. You read the main points 4 or 5, and also only the figure for your exam. No need detail for more languages. Microorganisms that fix nitrogen. Which microorganisms are generally involved in the nitrogen fixation? Nitrogen in nitrogen fixation, diazotrophs are a diverse group of prokaryotes that include cyanobacteria, Trichodecimum cyanothi, some green sulfur bacteria, Azotobacter, Rhizobium, Frankia. This type of microorganism is generally involved in the fixation of nitrogen. Then NIF gene is full name nitrogen fixing gene. NIF, nitrogen fixing. NIF gene stands for nitrogen fixing gene, are genes encoding enzymes involving the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen into a form of nitrogen available to living system. You just read the definition of NIF gene. What is NIF gene? NIF gene stands for nitrogen fixing gene. The gene was first isolated and named at 1980 by Gray, Rufkun and Sharon R. Long in Frederick M. Asubel laboratory. This laboratory first give an idea and isolated NIP gene from Agrobacterium tumefaciens microorganism. Node gene, nodule forming gene. Nodule forming gene also another kinds of gene that is involved in the nitrogen fixation process. Node gene, full name nitrogen nodule forming gene. This gene is generally isolated from Agrobacterium rhizogenes. Agrobacterium rhizogenes, and this gene is generally form the nodule in leguminous plants. Nitrogen assimilation. Nitrogen assimilation is the formation of organic nitrogen compounds like ammonia from organic nitrogen compounds present in the environment. During nitrogen assimilation, see the reaction, nitrate convert to nitrogen, nitrate convert to nitrite, then ammonium, therefore it is finally converted to ammonia, amino acids. Amino acids. Then the next term, nitrogen assimilation in plants. How nitrogen assimilation of plants occurred? See the figure, it is very hard. Cytosol. Cytosol, we know cytosol means the fluid, only fluid that is found in cell without cytoplasmic organelle. This is called cytosol. In cytosol, glutamate is first converted to glutamate, GOGAAT. Finally, it is also transferred to glutamine. Glutamine, ammonium ion, then nitrogen dioxide. Some enzyme and coenzyme involved in this reaction, carbamyl, phosphate, and arginine storage in plastid. This reaction generally occur in plastid, chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast, it is transferred in the different ways as a nitrogen dioxide, ammonium nitrate, glutamine, or ammonium ion, asparagine. Then it is phloem sep translocation, glutamate, aspartate, asparagine, and glutamine VS on, then ammonium ion. This figure showing nitrogen assimilation pathway, how nitrogen assimilation occur in plants. Nitrogen metabolism in plants. Nitrogen metabolism is a easy reaction. In this reaction, see the outline. First, this outline, nitrate ion. Nitrate ion first transferred to nitrogen dioxide by nitrification. Therefore, again nitrification by nitrifying bacteria, Azotobacter, cyanobacteria. This type of bacteria is called nitrifying bacteria. Therefore, it is transferred to ammonium. Ammonium ion is finally converted to reversible reaction. All reactions in the nitrate ion, nitride ion, and ammonium ion to organic nitrogen, both reactions are reversible reaction. Ammonium ion, in ammonium ion, degradation, ammonification. Soil bacteria and fungi involved in this reaction: nitrogen assimilation, nitrate reduction, assimilatory reduction of nitrate. In this reaction, some aerobic bacteria is included in this reaction. Therefore, denitrification and occur, and nitrite ion to converted the nitrite. Therefore, it is nitrogen dioxide and nitrogen. It is the nitrogen metabolism process. Nitrogen metabolism process involve three reactions: ammonification, denitrification, and nitrification. Ammonification is nothing in the dead remains of animals. Plants are decomposed through microbial activities to produce ammonia. Just for the formation of ammonia is called ammonification. Nitrification, ammonium is converted to nitrate ion. This process is nitrification. Finally, denitrification. In denitrification, nitrate is converted to nitrogen gas. In this process, some pseudomonas and some bacteria involved in this process, and finally